Hi, I'm Gianna.
I'm Hoth, and we've been roommates since our freshman year, and now we're seniors.
Yeah, so before coming to college, one of my main worries was about having a roommate because I grew up as an only child, so I never had to share a room before. So having a roommate would have been a brand new experience for me.
I also had a bit of anxiety about having a roommate, but since Res Life had the whole survey and we were able to take it and find out, they can find out about you and what your habits are like, then we got paired up and we were able to connect on social media beforehand.
Mm-hmm. And then we finally met in person when we came and moved in here. And since we met, we were both nervous, but that was okay.
It was great meeting you, of course, obviously.
Yes.
I think we're pretty cool. And one of the main things that I'd give advice for is just communicate with your roommate and make sure you're on the same page and try to understand each other, because we were both nervous to start.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
And to add on to your advice is just with communicating, don't be afraid to reach out, because chances are you're not feeling alone in your feelings. Your roommate probably is feeling very similar to what you are feeling. And so it's good to talk.